You have definitely seen those viral health AI shorts taking over your social media feeds lately. These videos grab your attention with bright anatomical art and simple, satisfying animations that turn complex science into bite-sized stories. The good news is that they are surprisingly easy to create once you understand the core workflow, and I am going to show you how to do it yourself. Beyond just making new content, I will also share a better path for creators who need to repurpose long-form videos without building every single short from scratch. Stay tuned for practical prompts, tool recommendations, and shortcuts that make editing feel more like storytelling. First, the visuals. These viral clips rely on a consistent anatomical style, so your audience knows exactly what they are looking at. The trick is to find a reference image you like, then use that to generate scene-by-scene prompts for your whole journey. Open up ChatGPT and upload your screenshot to have the AI analyze the character and map out the entire scene sequence for you. For example, if you are explaining digestion, the AI can break down every step, like teeth-crushing food, esophageal travel, and nutrient absorption. Next, feed those specific prompts into an image generator to create your set of high-resolution static frames. I recommend tools like Dreamina 4.0 for those detailed anatomical renders, but any reliable image model will work to keep your character consistent. Once you have your clean stills, you need to bring them to life using an image-to-video AI tool. Kling AI is fantastic for polished motion, but you really need to tweak your prompts to define specific camera movements and particle effects. Add directions for camera dolly, parallax, and lighting to give your animations that professional, energetic feel. Now, let's talk audio. Even if the original skipped it, adding a professional voiceover significantly boosts engagement. Use a tool like 11 Labs to generate natural-sounding narration that perfectly fits the vibe of your science explanation. Before you generate the audio, write a tight 60-second script that clearly maps out your visual beats for maximum impact. Editing is where you pull it all together. I prefer CapCut for its speed and accessibility, but use whatever software you are comfortable with. Import your voiceover first to set the pacing, then trim and sequence your animated clips to align perfectly with the narration. Add quick, subtle transitions and, most importantly, bold captions that are readable because many viewers watch on mute. Finally, add a low-volume music track to provide that emotional lift, making the experience feel like a cohesive, high-quality production. If you want a concrete example, imagine a video about apple digestion where we describe the journey from the first bite to nutrient absorption. Your teeth slice the fruit, enzymes begin breaking it down, and fibers help your body absorb energy steadily while glucose fuels your brain. That covers the creative build for short, handcrafted clips. But let's zoom out to address the burnout issue for creators. If you are already producing hour-long videos, creating every single short from scratch is a massive, unsustainable grind. This is where dedicated repurposing tools become essential because they bridge the gap between long-form content and platform-ready clips. Tools like Vizard are game changers here, as they automatically identify your most engaging moments and turn them into ready-to-post content. It even handles the heavy lifting of captions and thumbnail suggestions, allowing you to batch review and publish without re-editing everything. You don't need to choose just one approach. You can blend high-touch, handcrafted AI shorts with efficient, auto-clipped content from your long videos. Use image-to-video for those signature viral pieces, and use auto-editing tools to keep your channel feed consistent. Always remember that consistency beats perfection, and the algorithm needs time to learn your audience's preferences. Start with a simple checklist: reference, prompt, generate, animate, and edit, and let the AI handle the repetitive tasks. This entire pipeline is designed for creators who want to grow fast without getting stuck in endless editing cycles. Try this workflow on a test topic today. Iterate based on what works, and stop worrying about the technical barriers. If you need a custom script or specific prompts for your next video, just reach out with your topic and I will craft the perfect plan for you.